In this article, we have mentioned 3 easy methods to use Chat GPT-4 for free. These methods are quite simple and straightforward. Let's jump to the guide. Head over to nat.dev in your browser and sign up for a free account. After logging in, change the model to GPT-4 in the right panel. You can also customize other settings, but initially, keep everything default. Now, you can ask questions to Chat GPT-4 for free, and it will respond instantly as there is no queue. Use Chat GPT-4 for free on aura.sh. Open Google, type aura.sh, click on the first link. Then, click on the chat box at the bottom to sign in and start using the service. Then, ask your questions to Chat GPT-4 straight away. It's that easy to get a taste of the new GPT-4 model released by OpenAI. Head over to this link to use ChatGPT-4 on Hugging Face for free. Now, enter your question and press the Run button. You will get a response from the ChatGPT-4 model, and that's it. That's how easy it is to try out GPT-4 without the ChatGPT Plus subscription. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more updates.